guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be reviewing the DIOR Montaigne. Hi guys, if you're new on my channel, please consider to subscribe. I make videos about fashion, beauty and lifestyle. Alright, so let's get started. Okay, where to start? I think I'm gonna give you a review first, and then I'm gonna tell you what is inside of my bag, what can fit, and then I'm gonna tell you about pros and cons. The one that I have right now is the box leather. It has box leather. On the sides, it has the, what kind of leather it has? Jesus. Lambskin. No, lambskin is inside. And then, oh, and the size is calf skin. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. So, box leather, calf skin, and inside the linen is lambskin. Okay? So you can check in the website. This bag retails for $3,550 currently as October 2019 at the DIOR web page. Plus tax, obviously, right? This bag is pretty amazing. Love that it has a back pocket because I can fit my cell phone pretty easy. I am not showing you my phone right now because I'm using my phone to record this video, but it can fit my phone really easy without the case. If you follow me, you know that I use the bulky kind of Chanel-like case. So if I want to use that case in this bag, it doesn't fit there. Okay, I'm gonna show you the case that I'm talking. Okay, hold on. I'm back. All right, so this is a case. I typically use this case for my phone. I'm using my phone to record this video. So if I want to use this case that it has my credit cards, my ID, plus on top it looks like a bag. If I want to fit this one here in the back of the DIOR, it doesn't fit. It's too big, it's too bulky, okay? But I can fit my phone without the case. Moving on. To open the bag, you press here, boom, and the bag opens. And this is how my bag looks inside. Okay, so it fits your essentials. It doesn't fit a lot in comparison with the pajama tees. However, it fits the essentials. It has 3 pockets that I'm gonna show you later. And it has golden hardware. The strap is pretty convenient, pretty versatile. So what's in my bag? Inside of my bag, you're gonna find my sunglasses. I bought these at Walmart for like $13. These are amazing. Let me just try them on for you. I think that I use these ones. I show you these ones as part of my video, how to look expensive on a budget. And yeah, I really love these ones because I'm not afraid to scratch them because they cost me pretty much nothing. I have my Chanel wallet. I have my passport, and that's it. Okay, and of course that I have my pochette with my basic makeup that is going to take me through the day. So I have here my reading glasses, I have $20, I still have $20 here. I have lotions and some lipsticks and stuff like that. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I have my papers, my bag papers here inside in case that I need them. And that's how it looks inside. So I have 3 pockets. This one is a small pocket, the main pocket where you're gonna fit everything. And then you have a small zipper pocket. You can keep here your bag receipt or your passport. Inside you're gonna find the DIOR, where is it? Here, the DIOR tag. And that's it. Okay, and the back pocket, right? That I already told you that you can fit your cell phone without a case. On the back of the bag, it has the Tori Montaigne engraved. I don't, is that how it calls, like engraved? Well, it has a Tori Montaigne. It's pretty cool. All right, and let me close the back. I'm pretty sure this, because the way that this closes, right, it doesn't snap right away. I'm gonna be scratching my bag. In fact, I bought this bag in June of 2019, and yeah, it already is showing already a little bit of scratches on the hardware. I don't know if you can see them. Okay. Let's talk about the leather, the box leather. You can see that my bag already has scratches. You can see one here. Let's see what is another one. It's another one here. I think in the back, and here you go. This is another scratch. Can you see it? Okay. Since it's box leather, it reminds me the Hermes Kelly bag. The Hermes Kelly bag has box leather as well. I have the Hermes Kelly, and it's a pretty sensitive bag. So I knew it when I was buying this. I was like, okay, it's box leather, same as the, you know, Hermes Kelly. It's going to be, you know, sensitive, and it is. Already you can see that my bag it has several scratches, and I'm not a person that I just drop my bags and I just, you know, I try to take care of my bags because they cost a lot of money and they're my babies, they're my investment. So be aware of that. Box leather gets scratched really easy, so you need to babysit your bag. Remember, the Christian Dior Montaigne has box leather on the front, it has calfskin on the sides, and it has lambskin inside of the back. The linen is lambskin. So inside, lambskin is famous to be durable, sturdy, right? But box leather, not so much. So just be careful and be aware about that. There is another version on the Dior website. It's $100 cheaper, and I believe is calfskin. So if you are between the two of them, choose the other one, because I think so calfskin is more durable, more sturdy than the box leather. Other than that, I'm pretty happy with this bag. Besides the scratches, yes, I need to babysit my bag, but I knew about this. I knew that I was going to babysit the leather because it's box leather. I really love this bag. It matches with pretty much all my outfits. I choose black because you know, I wear black all the time. For me, it's pretty convenient, and it doesn't scream like boom, like Dior right away. Yes, it has the C and the D, but you know, it's, I don't know, that's my excuse, right? I really love it. By the way, let me show you, the strap has the Dior engraved on the strap as well, which is pretty cool. And the holes of the bag, I love that it has the metal. So that means that they were thinking, you know, in a long life of the strap. How can you wear this bag? Well, I wear it crossbody. Okay, you can wear it on the shoulder as well, or you can wear it by like doing this. And I have seen that some girls wear this bag like this. Hold on, let me fix it. They wear it like this, so they just like a strap like this. Personally, I don't like it. I prefer the double strap. so that's it. That's all what I have to say about the Christian 30 Montaigne. Beautiful bag. I recommend that you buy the calfskin leather instead of the box leather, because you're gonna get scratches pretty easy. And be careful with your hardware, because you're gonna get scratches pretty easy. I have been wearing this bag for since June of 2019. So June, July, August, September, October, November, for 6 months. And this is my wear of and tear of this bag. Alright guys, well, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you like this video. You found this video really helpful in case that you're thinking to buy a DIOR 30 Montaigne. I'm trying to be really honest with my review. And yeah, hopefully you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.